Once done, let me know and then we'll move for the next concept.
Done.
So those are done, ready? Please try this program. Find area of rectangle. Find area of rectangle. So based on the formula, so formula is half LB. So area of rectangle, which is equal of LB. Half into L into, that is a length into breadth. Okay. Okay, so please try this program. So you read the length value and then breadth value. So after that, you can go for giving the expression area of rectangle, which is equal to half times L times B. So finally, you can display the area of rectangle, which is equal to the result. So this is my expected output. So please try for your side.
Python is capital sensitive, right? So this area rectangle, that is a variable, right?
Yes.
Okay, but you have a hashtag in front of it. What does it mean? Radha?
Come again, Miss Rajayash.
Okay, so use a comment.
Yes, please try.
What
Hey.
is length? L equals to length, is it? I don't
Okay,
know. What does LB
half
means?
HR, half LB. Rectangle. Okay, wait.
What is L? What is B?
Okay, see. Okay, 1 minute. So this is a rectangle. Okay. One minute. Annotation is
So in my error, it says L is not defined exactly. So what
yes,
does
length
L?
and
What is
then
L?
breadth value. Length and then breadth value. You can give any numbers.
Oh, okay. So I have to assign it. Okay. Okay, got it.
Okay. So Muhammad, have you completed?
Yes, complete. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, yes. Ms. Rajayash, can you please share your screen? Let me check.
Okay. So
Wow, good job. Great. So input is 150.0. Okay, so you directly assign the value. But ma'am, what I told means, please
Mm.
read the information from the user and then go for a calculate.
Oh, us.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Don't apply direct value.
Mm.
So how to read the information from the user?
I guess I can
Information.
input.
Integer or float conversion. After that, input, enter the length value like this. Yes, Mr. Muhammad, can you please share your screen? Let me check. Miss Rajayash, can you please stop sharing? Let me check with Mr. Muhammad as well. So please try for your side.
Is it? Right? See?
Exactly. So,
Sure.
yeah.
Just now I just put my own numbers.
Okay, good. But Mr. Muhammad, what I told you, try this program for PyCharm. Then only you become a familiar for a developing program in a IDE. Okay. So there is an issue. So what is the value error? Invalid literals with the base of okay. See, you try to
Oh,
convert the information to integer data type, but
so
you
is
give
this
the
one?
information is the float. That is a error here. So give the information, sir, whole number, otherwise converted to float. Yes. See, Miss Rajayas, this is a way. See, whatever information which is converted to float or integer, then you can read.
Yep.
Mm. Okay. So there is a function we can using for rounding the decimals numbers. Okay. Go to the line number where it is area of rectangle, length and width equal to area of rectangle. Okay. Formatting the output. Okay. So here, okay. Go to the next one, code cell. Insert code cell. Click the code icon on the top. Mr. Muhammad.
At
Uh,
area
adding,
rectangle.
yes, please adding one more code cell. No.
That's good.
No,
That's good.
no. Click the plus sign in the code. New cell. I need new cell to adding one more program. Mr. Muhammad, can you hear
Uh,
me? Okay.
like this.
No. Just a new code. I want to add one more program. Go for
Okay.
window. New window. No,
Then,
don't type anything in your program. I want to create one more program.
oh, okay. You good.
New. Yes. Just type print,
Okay.
open parenthesis, round, open parenthesis. Okay, 10.253, 10.253, not a quotation mark, dot, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so comma 2. Okay, run the program. See,
Okay.
whatever fractional which is there, I want to round up for the particular, that is a decimals means. So you can using the round function like this. Like this, you can using the area of rectangle means it will overcome for the 0,004 like this.
I see. Okay. Maybe can straight away put here, is it? Let's say I want to
1 to 0 means nothing will be in that floating. Okay.
okay.
Okay. That's it. Miss Rajayas, understand how
Yeah.
to round up the function?
Yes.
So these are the mathematical functions which is available in Python. Built-in function. Everything is a built-in function only. Okay. So now, okay, let me share my screen. So stop sharing, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay.
Okay, good job. Good job, everybody. So now what we are going to do means, so we are going to discuss about the topic for a relational operator. So generally, the relational operator, which is always used for a control structure as well as a looping concept. Okay, so let me go for a one more code cell. Okay, so here I am going to demonstrate a relational operator. Relational or comparison operator. Okay. So generally, a relational operator always return the Boolean value. So the condition is true means it is satisfy means it will be return the true value. So otherwise it will be return the false value. Okay. Let me go for print 10 less than 20. Okay, so this is one small example. I am going to run the program. See, I am going to check compare. Relational operator always check the comparing. Okay, so compare the two quantity of information. So I am going to check 10 is smaller than 20. So now tell me 10 is smaller than 20 or not?
Yes.
Yes. So this print function, it will be return the true value. True means condition true. So see the output, it will be written the true value. Suppose if I go for giving one more condition, the condition is which I am going to check 10 is greater than 20. That means I am going to check 10 is bigger than 20. Now tell me 10 is bigger than 20 or not?
No.
No. So the system will be written the false information to you. So this is a way we can go for using the relational operator. So relational operator always return Boolean value. So based on the Boolean value, so you can go for take the decisions. Okay. So less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, these are the relational operator. Okay, let me go for checking the equal operator. So now 10, which is equal to 10. So condition true or false?
It's true.
True, exactly. We'll check. Condition true. So now I am going to check the one more condition which is not equal to true. Okay. Print 10 not equal 5. Now tell me, so I'm going to check 10 is not equal to 5. Condition true or false?
Yes, true.
True. Exactly. 10 is not equal to 5. 10 is equal to 10. 10 is not equal to 5. Okay. So just I go for run the program. It will be written true. So one more conditions. Print. Okay. We'll check with the less than or equal to as well. Less than or equal to. Okay. So I am going to check. Maybe 10 is smaller than 10 or equal to 10. So now tell me what is the result?
Not true, false.
True, exactly.
True, is it true? Oh, or.
Oh, yes.
What or?
Maybe less than or equal. Okay,
Or,
similar.
okay.
So greater than or equal. So suppose, let me go for check 20, which is greater than or equal. Okay. Let me go for run the program. Now tell me what is the result? True. I am going to check greater than or equal. So these are the relational or comparison operator. Okay, so please try for your side. Yes, ma'am. Oh, 1 minute. Okay. Ah. Yes, please try for your side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So just we'll learn about the next operator. The operator which is used for logical operator. Okay. So relational operator which is used to compare the two quantity of information. Suppose if I want to compare more than one relations means we can go for using the logical operator. Okay. Let me go for using a logical operator now. Print same program. So logical operator also, which is written the Boolean value. So either true or false based on the information which you are going to apply. Okay. Something greater than 50. Less than 50. Okay. So see the example. In this example, so I am going to check the relations. Okay. So both relations. If the condition, if this relation true means and operator go and check the next conditions. If the relation is false means it return the false value to you. Suppose this relation true means it will be go and fetch the check the second relation. If second relation also true means it will be return the true value. That means all the possible comparisons, that is a relation written true means and operator which return true. If either one or both will be written false means and operator will be written false message to you. Okay. So yes, please try for your side. There is a one more operator, that is a OR operator. So just OR operator is if either one condition is written true means the system will be written the true message to you. If both will be written false, it will be written the false message to you. There is a one more operator. So not of. So not is a opposite for the relations value. Okay. So just to see 10 less than 20, it will be written the true message. But not true means it will be written the false. So these are the three logical operator which is available. So generally comparison operator, logical operator we use for the control structure and then that particular looping concept. Okay, later will be discussed.
When are we going to use not?
Okay, sometimes they can using for the not operator as well. So suppose if the relations will be goes for negative input means just I go with using the not operator only. Not means just opposite of the result from the logical operators. So please try for your side. These are the basic operator which is used for the arithmetic, logical, relational operations. So based on the operator which is in the expression will be called like a relational expression. See, relational operator is that there is a relational expressions. Logical operator is the logical expressions. So arithmetic operator is the arithmetic expressions. So sometimes they can having mixed as well. That is a mixed mode like a mixed expression like this. So do you have any question? Let me know. So generally, membership operator, which is used for whether the data is available or not from the particular sequential data type. Okay, so just I go with one more example using membership operator. Let me go with the list control. So just I am going to defining one names list. So names, which is equal, square bracket, and then for example, 13, and then three, and then gotcha. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to check if in names. I think is available. Not available. So please try for your side. So if Fatin in names means that is I'm going to check Fatin data is available in the names. If it is available means it will be display the information Fatin is available. Suppose this Fatin information is not available means it show the information Fatin is not available. So please try to run the program. So if you run the program, the system will be display the information that is a Fatin is available.
What's the difference between if we put names, the variable,
Okay, so this
in
is a control
bracket?
structure. So this is a control structure. It will be used to control the flow of execution. So based on the conditions, the following statement will be executed. If
Yeah,
the condition written true, the true statement will be executed. So otherwise, it goes and execute the false statement.
I mean in the variable, when you define a variable, right, names. If I use bracket, normal bracket, can it work too?
Yes, can.
It has to be square bracket, is it?
See, so especially this is a membership operator. So this membership operator especially used for sequential data types. So even we can able to check with the assignment operator as well. If I go for assignment operators means I am going to check this same program. I am going to using the assignment operator now. Okay, so just to go for here. See, if I go for using assignment operator means okay, so here names of 0 which is equal Fatin. So generally in the list control, the index value will be stored and the data is a 0 Fatin, 1 is for Hadri and then 2 is for Raja. Okay. So if I go for checking names of 0 means this position value which is equal to Fatin, Fatin is available. Suppose else Fatin is not available. This is achieved using the assignment operator. If we go for assignment operator, you must check suppose sometimes if I want to searching a employee which is working on the institute or not means so I don't want to check each and every employee. Just I use for checking each and every employee with their indexes values. I just use the in operator, that is a membership operator. So in operator always retain true value or false value. So true value means the data is available in your sequential data type. So and false values means which is data is not available. So there are two operator in membership. One is a in operator, another one is a not in operator. So not in operator means you are going to check. So Fatin is not in the particular list. Okay. So yeah, this is a way we can achieve this program. So this is one small demonstration for the in operator, that is a membership operator. So demo membership operator. Okay, so please try for your side. So and then we'll continue for a control structure concept.
Let's say I know earlier you said that the word is case sensitive. Let's say if use my name capital H. So what if you want to have the
It will be considered as a separate value.
let's see. So how do you want make the names? Let's say we want to search for name inside the list. It doesn't matter contain capital letter or lowercase.
So do one thing, you can go with the conversion. Okay, whatever you type. Okay, so if you convert the data to uppercase or lowercase, and then you can check, means it will overcome. There is only one way.
So the conversion part need to put under the if lines, is it?
Built-in function. So built-in function, you can, yes, exactly. So see to that. So I'm not checking either a uppercase or lowercase. Just I go for a checking with the, okay, let me try here. I change the capital letter A. Okay, so here I change this data to capital letter A. Okay, so I'm going to check here. Okay, so let me go for checking. In this case, let me go with the, just I go with the checking the, here I go for converting the data to lower of the particular information. So my checking go with the, just I convert the data to lowercase and then go for a checking. Okay. Low is not reporting the any. Okay, 1 minute, let me check. Uppercase, lowercase. Okay. 1 minute. Upper. It's not working, right? It's not working on the particular one. Okay, let me check with the here. Upper. Okay, I think I forget the, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me check. There is a function which is available for a case conversion, uppercase, lowercase. Okay, 1 minute, let me check. Almost, text dot upper. Okay, fine. I think I must give dot lower. Okay. See, so now whatever you give the information, I converted to lower and then check with the lowercase itself. Understand, Mr. Muhammad?
I think the video is hanging like this.
Maybe uppercase or lowercase, like that you can go. So even there is a function also available. It will be cannot see the uppercase or lowercase. Okay, later I will tell you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so yes. So now time is 11:36, right? So have a 10 minutes break and then we'll start on the new topic. So go and have a cup of coffee or water or juice. If you want to go to washroom, go to washroom and then come back. Okay, so we'll start at 11:40, 11:50. Is it
Okay, sure.
okay? Yes, please. And then we'll start the concept of control structure. Okay. Shall we continue? Yes, Miss Rajayash. Mr.
Yep, let's go.
Okay, fine. Okay. So far, we discussed about the topic for sequential flow of execution. Okay. For example, generally interpreter start the line from first onwards means first, second, third line, fourth, fifth, up to end of the program. It will be sequential execution. Suppose if I want to control the sequential execution, suppose in my situation based on some conditions, the statement will be executed means I go for using the control structure. So in this control structure, they can using for the keywords. Keywords means that is a reserved word. So the keywords which is used to, which is already created using Python program as well. So that the keyword is ready for use. When I use the keywords, the definition will be implemented in the line. Okay. For example, I'm going to using a control structure now. There are variety of keywords we are going to using. Okay. We'll go for a, okay. Now I'm going to one is if statement. If two is if else three is nested if else and then what is if elif else. See, these are the common keywords which is used for the control structure. If and then if else and then later we'll discuss about the nested if else as well. And then if else. Okay. So now we'll see for one by one a demo program for clear understanding. Okay. Let me scroll a little bit up.
Your screen is not moving, so I'm not sure.
Come again.
Your screen is not moving.
I also don't see the screen.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me share once again.
Okay.
Can you able to see my screen?
Okay, now can.
Okay, fine. These are the control the structure which is used in Python. So we'll see one by one. So demo if. Okay. I'm going to reading the color from the user, which is equal input, enter your favorite color. Okay. So here I use if color which is equal red and then colon. So see to that. So I'm going to read the color from the user. Based on the color, I go for a take the decision. So suppose if color is equal to red means just I go for a printing the statement inside the if. So if I go for a inside the statements means either I go for using a one space, otherwise one tab. After I go for a typing the program. So otherwise the system will be show the indentation error to you. Okay, later I will show the one. Okay. Okay. Let me go for display the information. So red is your favorite color. So otherwise, the system doesn't display the information. Red is your favorite color like this information. Let me go for end of the program statement. This is a small example program for a simple if. Okay, so I go for run the program now. If I give the information red means I receive the information red is your favorite color and then end of the program. Okay, suppose if I give some other colors means I couldn't able to receive red is your favorite color information. Okay, so just I go for giving a black. See, if I give black color means black is doesn't match here. So the system will be cannot go for execute the statements. Controls goes to execute the outer statement one by one. Suppose if I go for run the program, if I give a red means so it show the information. Red is your favorite color like this. Understand both of you?
Yep.
The concept here, based on the condition, I go for decision, take the decision. If condition true, this statement, this is a comparison operator which I use here, color which is equal to red, then it go for execute the red statement. Otherwise, it won't go to execute inside the statement. Suppose I already told you, no, if I want mentioning this statement is belonging to if means either one space, otherwise one tab. Suppose I miss means see, suppose if I type the program like this means so I receive the one message, that message is a error message, that is indentation error. So the meaning which is written on the if statement already. If condition, if a word is used means following should be condition, colon is mandatory, and the next statement should be a block of if statement. So it should be one step forward. Okay. So these are the rest of the as usual statements. So whatever statement which is in that rest, it will be executed one by one. So keep it in your mind always. Yes, Mr. Mohammed, suppose user give the capital letter red, otherwise small letter red means it won't execute because perfect matching for the smaller case only. Suppose if I want to give more information means let me go for the OR operator. Maybe color which is equal to, that is a user regular habit. They can give the initial letter capital letter. So otherwise, I go for one more OR operator. Color is equal to capital letter red. Color which is equal capital letter red. So usually the user go with the either fully capital letter or fully small letter or initial letter capital letter. These are the possible information. If any one of the informations is which is matched, means these statements will be executed. Okay. So in this case, let me go for color. This I modify smaller. One. Okay. Okay. Run the program. Suppose if I have the habit for typing a capital letter, so the system will be response to you. If I have the habit for typing a small letter, the system will be response to you. Suppose if I'm having the habit for giving initial letter is a capital letter and then following small letter, means the system will be response to you, because these are the three information input possible information. If either one is true, or operator will be written true. So if written true means the here inside the if block will be executed. Okay, so please try for your side. Anybody having any question?
No, clear.
Okay, fine. Okay, we'll see for demo if else program. Okay, same program I am going to copy here. Suppose if you give some other colors, means the system will be response to you. Okay. Demo if else. Here, after the true statement, go for adding one more statement. The statement is called it for else block. Okay. Here I'm going to type else colon and then is not your favorite color. That's it.
Mm.
So here, in this case, see the condition. If color is equal to red means it show red is your favorite color. Suppose if the user gives some other colors means that means the user favorite color. Okay. So the color is your favorite color, like that it will be display the informations. Okay. Here you can mention red itself. Okay. Let me go for a black color. If I type black, so the system will be display black is your favorite color, like this. Suppose if I type a red means it go and display the if guys. Okay. So this is a two-way decision making statement. If condition true, take the decision true statement. If condition false, false statement will be executed. Okay, so please try for your side. It's done, so let me know.
Yep, got it.
Okay. If you done ready means please check the please do the exercise. Go for read the age of the person. Based on the age, if the age is greater than or equal to 18 means just to display the information, your
Passport.
age is eligible for vote. Here Malaysia,
Where,
as per the law,
where did you put the exercise?
as per the Malaysian law, if the person citizen age is greater than or equal to 18 means the citizen is eligible for voting, right? So you can check the conditions based on the age. If the age is greater than or equal to 18 means just display the information to the user. Your age is eligible for vote. Otherwise, display the information your age is not eligible for vote. Yes, please try this exercise.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Yes, those are completed. Please share your screen. Let me check your answer.
Let me share.
Yes.
Let's finish.
You can see, right?
Yes.
So I use variable. Just set up this variable, and then if user age is more or less 18, so we will print this. Else
Okay.
we will.
Okay. Give some other age which is less than 18. Because whenever go for executing such a program means you check with the two input, okay? Less than 18 age. 10.
Okay. Let's say less.
No, not like that. Input you type 10.
Oh, okay. So just use any input.
Yeah, give that input is 10. Output
Run
window.
the code.
Just type the input is 10.
Okay, let's say 10.
No. Mr. Muhammad,
Sorry.
sorry. Please undo.
Okay.
Go to the output window.
Oh,
Enter
this one.
yes. Type
Okay,
the
this one.
age is 10.
So
Yes.
for the output, let's say put
Uh,
10. So we will show this one
so you are
because
not
it's not.
eligible to vote. Okay, good. Great job. So
Okay.
whenever go such a program means you give that information is like greater than 18 and then check and then less than or equal to input also you give and then check.
Mhm,
Okay.
okay.
Yes, thank you so much. Good job.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Miss Rajayash, have you completed?
Yep.
Please share your screen. Let me check.
I'm actually simpler. If age is bigger than 18, you're eligible.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Yes, you
So
need
if I
to.
run,
Wow, great job.
if I
Eligible
run
for vote.
under 18, then they need to be above 18. to be
Yes.
eligible.
Completed 18 or above 18. So greater than or equal to 18.
You cannot vote under 18, right? You have to be older than
Maybe
18, right?
completed or above. So the condition is greater than or equal to 18.
In Malaysia, you can vote when you're 18.
Yes.
I thought older than 18.
Mm.
Okay.
Not only above. If the age is Completed 18 or above.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, that's it. Less than 18 age also you give and then check whether it will show the your age is not eligible or not. Information as well. Go for one more run.
Oh,
One more time execute the program.
Yep.
Mm.
what age do you
If
want?
the input is less than 18. Okay. Yes. So whenever you go for such a situation means you check with both input. Whether it is worker or not, you check. Okay, stop sharing. Anybody having any question?
No, so
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, great job for everybody. Okay, let me, okay, go to one more code window. Okay, let me explain one more concept. The concept is called it for nested if else. Okay, can you please anybody share the coding in the chat box? The
Yes,
eligibility for the students, sorry, employee or persons, citizen in the Malaysia, no? Please share the coding in the chat. Okay, let me take the coding here. So, what I am going to do means I am going to giving one more condition. The condition is I am going to check the age of the person which is eligibility for voting Malaysia or not. So, not only completed the age is 18 or above, the person should be Malaysian citizen. So, I am going to reading the one more condition here. The condition which is used to checking the country. Okay, so just I go for using if condition here. If country, okay, country which is equal Malaysia. Okay, so before that I should read the country as well. After checking the age, I am going to checking one more condition. The condition which is used for checking the country. Okay, so the checking the condition which I give inside the if. Okay, country equal input, enter your country name. Okay. So if the person typing Malaysia, then the person is eligibility for voting Malaysia. Otherwise, yes, person age is eligible, but the person is not belonging to Malaysian citizen. Okay. So your age is, suppose here, I am going to giving one more else block here. This else block. So tell the customer, print. So here, okay, just other countries. not Malaysia. Otherwise, you tell you need to above 18 are eligible voting. So, see this condition which I given here, outer if else. This is a inner if else. Okay, so this concept is called for nested if else. Yeah, if else which contain another if else. See the condition here. If the condition true, then controls goes to read the country. If the country is Malaysia, that means the both conditions satisfied, then the person is eligible for a voting Malaysia. So otherwise, maybe age is completed, but the person is not Malaysian. So your age will be eligible for voting others country, not Malaysia. Suppose age itself not fitting means it show you need to be above 18 years old for voting. Understand both of you? The concept
Yep.
here, nested if else. Yes, please try for yourself.
Where did you define others?
Okay, maybe in India also the age is greater than or equal to 18. So that means other country. Otherwise, you tell the customer uh, your age is eligible, but you are not a Malaysian. Otherwise, you are not eligible to voting Malaysia. Like that you tell.
That is a string, right? That's not a...
Straight away you tell.
Um,
So any question?
No, all good.
Yep.
Okay. So now we'll discuss okay, you are not eligible to Malaysia, right? See, this is a typo error. Okay. So let me talk about the one more topic. The topic is a if else statement. Okay. 1 minute. Let me go for one more code window. So title is demo if elif else. Okay. So now what I'm going to do means, if else means, there is a two-way decision making statement. Either true, otherwise false. Sometimes I want to have multiple choices of informations. Okay, so in some situation, this if else is not enough. So I go for using if else statement. Okay, so for example, let me go for assigning mark of the student. Uh, just I go for a direct assignment. Okay. Otherwise, you can go for reading the informations and then assigning the mark as well. So here I am going to reading the mark of the student. Based on the mark, I go for a display the grading. Okay. So integer input, enter your average mark. Quotation mark, close.
Average mark in what? Sorry.
Yes. So now I am going to check if mark greater than 80, I go for display, print, just to go with the outstanding grade. Capital letter O. There is a spelling mistake. Mark. Suppose else. So elif means else if. Okay. Elif. I am going to check the mark which is greater than 70. Okay. Mark greater than 70. So if mark is greater than 70 means, let me go for printing the A grade. A grade. If mark is greater than 60 means B grade. If mark is greater than 50 means C grade. If mark is less than 50 means just go for a dash. Otherwise, without specifying any grade. Okay. Okay, so please try for your side.
Brother, what is principal? Print O.
Come again.
After mark
means
if mark
outstanding. Outstanding.
it's outstanding.
Outstanding grade. Otherwise, you can
Oh,
outstanding.
wow. Okay. I thought grade is just A, B, C, D.
Okay, just I go for a ABCD. Okay, go ahead. Your wish.
No. I'm just. I thought it was.
So final else black is that is either if you want to type, you can go for a typing the final else black. Otherwise, no need. If mark.
What's the difference between L, if, and S?
Okay, this is a short form. Okay. Suppose if I'm not typing means what I will be type else space if. So this is alternative form. Short form of else space if.
Ah, I got what you meant. Cool.
greater than 60, B
You
grade.
mean you have more than one condition
Yes,
repetitive?
multiple choices of information. Based on the multiple choices, it will be go the decisions.
Okay.
Small letter S. Greater than or equal to 50. Colon. And C grade. So these are the control structure keywords which is used to control the sequential flow of execution. Okay, so based on the situation only, we go for using a simple if statement, if else statement, and then nested if else statement, and then elif statements only. Okay. Depends on the situation, we are going to using this any one of the control structure or all the control structure. So final else block. Else. Final else block is a optional one. Either you can give, otherwise if you are not using the final else means so this final else means all the possibility information is not matching means so final else block will be execute. So here just print a fail message or a no grade message. Okay, so print. So let me go for printing just dash no grade. Okay. Okay, so please try for your side and then check with all the possibility information. A grade, O grade, B grade, C grade, as well as a dash grade as well. Okay, so please check with your side. So after lunch, let me just explain the one more concept. The concept is called it for looping. Looping means, for example, some situation, I want to execute a statement or block of statements repeatedly means, you can go for using the looping concept. Okay, there are two keywords we are going to using for the looping. One is a for keyword, another one is a while keyword. So we already discussed yesterday itself. For loop is used for fetching the information from the particular line by line of information from the file, otherwise character by character. No, so we'll discuss for that one after lunch. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so if you completed this program means please try for one exercise. For example, let go for a traffic signal program. So traffic signal, there are three colors there. Okay, so if the user giving red colors means the signal. Okay, so signal color is red color means you stop the car. Okay, so just to display the stop message on the screen if the user getting the information is a red means. Suppose if the color is green color means just display go message. Suppose if the color is a yellow color means get ready to stop. Okay.
But for traffic light, you don't enter the
Yes.
color of light that you see, right? Or you enter, you still ask for input.
Yes. So here we are going to use the if else statement. Red and then green and then yellow color. Just check. Suppose final one is if some other color is input is there are options like this. So please try for that program.
Okay, done.
Yeah, that's it. Um, Hadri, I found out how to ignore the case sensitivity.
Sorry?
You just add the case code.
Come again.
I found out how to ignore the case sensitivity. So you just add case code.
Oh, not use caseful is okay lah. Just
Like,
to do simple example. Just
yeah.
type normal, red, green.
So yeah, so if you do, for example, if you caseful, right? So if you type all, regardless of the let's say string, it will parse that as whatever. So you just add here. Remember just how you ask, what if, because you cannot control what people input, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mr. Muhammad, can you please share your screen? Let me check your answer.
Let me share mine first. So this is mine. So I just assign variable to be input here. So you can input red or yellow, but they have to put the correct with the upper or lowercase. So let's say I put red, so it will from stop. Else if I put, for example, green, so it will use the green. Check this. And this is I put beside all those three colors, as I put blue.
Okay.
So it will return the last one. Please enter valid traffic light color.
Exactly. Good job.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Miss Rajayash, please
Okay.
share your screen.
So this is mine. I use this I don't know what I call this function or it's a variable.
Okay, a cache folding function.
Yeah,
Whatever
caseful function.
the cache fold means, it won't see the case sensitive.
Correct. So that's why I don't.
Okay.
People can enter however they want to enter. So if it's red, then please set the default. If it's yellow, please go down, and green, please go. And any other color, that will just say that is invalid color.
Okay.
So this is an example.
Great job. Okay. So now understand the concept of a control structure, important as well as a usage of your problem solving, right? Yes. So that's it for morning portion. Okay, so the concept is a looping is pending for basic level. Okay, so looping will be discussed for after lunch. So before that, so I will explain one small example for how we are going to fetching the string data. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, please stop sharing, Miss Rajayash. Okay, so is it my screen is visible? 1 minute. Okay, is it my screen is visible to you?
Coming up.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, fine. So just a small intro about the sequential data types. Okay, so for example, is a sequential data types. Okay, so I'm going to storing one names here. Names, which is equal PHCDC. Okay, so this is a string data. So strings which is stored on like P is stored on 0th index position, H is stored on the first index position, C is stored on the second index position. So this is a positive index positions. So for example, let me go for printing the names. So if I go for printing names means that's a collection of a character. The collection of character which is display on your screen. Suppose if I want to mentioning, okay, wait, let it load. a small letter. Print names. Okay. So see to that, I am going to printing the variables. So the value will be displayed on the screen. Okay. Suppose if I go for one more code cell. Okay. So suppose I want to print names of third index character. Okay, see to that. So I want to fetch the third index character. So from this character, third index character is a D. So I want to
D, right?
fetch the D character. So I use the arrays concept over the string. So names of 3. So now I go for run the program. If you run the program, so you can able to get the result is D.
Not C, because P is C. C is third.
Because P is stored on 0th index position.
Ah, okay.
H is stored on first index position. So left to right means there is a 0th index onwards. So it will be fetching D.
Okay.
So even there is a which is equal to for the negative indexes as well. So negative indexes means right to left manner. So -1 is C, -2 is D. So suppose if I go for a printing, print names of -2. This is a first language which having the negative indexes as well. Okay, so see the output, it will be display the D value only. See the output? So this is the negative indexes. So even I can go for giving the starting index and then ending index as well. Okay, so I am going to printing names of, so starting index, let me give the 0th index. So and then colon. So ending index is let me go with the 3. Okay. So if we go for a ranging means the starting will be B and then ending will be before that particular the last index. So if you run the program, the system will be display PHC only. So not D. Okay. Sorry. There is error. Okay. So the colon and then 3, not quotations. There is one more brackets. See the output? PHC only. So this last one representation for n minus 1. So 3 minus 1 up to 2 only. 0 to 2 index position only it will be written. So please try for your side. Similar for negative indexes. Print names of, for example, let me go with the -1 colon -3. So -1, -2. Okay. So here, 1 minute, let me run. Oh, it's not a display. Okay, 1 minute. Oh, sorry. Sorry. 3, because in negative number, smallest range is a biggest number, right? So -1. So run the one. From -3. So here, -1, -2, -3. So it will be displayed. One more output. 1 minute. So generally, first index is a smaller index. So bigger index. Okay.
Can you explain the negative again, Radha?
Yes. So negative index means a right to left manner.
Okay.
Okay.
The reverse manner.
So negative index start from -1 onwards. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like this.
But it started with -1. Yeah, of course,
Yes.
because there's no minus. It's not 0, right? So it started with -1.
Yes. So this is a way we can, these are the operation for slicing the string. Okay, see the answer -3 -3 means -2. Okay, so before that one. So C and then D. It will be displayed like this only. So even I can giving the 3 parameter as well. See in this case, suppose I go for a up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5 here. So I go with the one more parameter, the parameter which is representation for the increment order. Okay, so 0 to 5 and then 2. So here first index is 0. So second index is just incrementing for 2 indexes. So it will be fetching the C like this. 0, 3, 5 like that. If I want to fetch means I go for the third parameter here. So the third parameter which is representation for a increment or decrement. Okay. Let me go for run the coding. So see the output which I got. P, C and then C like this. So there is a third parameter here. So this is another way for slicing. Okay, so here the same one which I write here. Okay, so I go for fetching 0 to 5. Okay, so after that, the order which I given is a reverse manner. See to that, the information I am going to fetching 0 to 5, but which character is starting from -1 onwards. So the system will be written the reverse of the particular informations.
I'm sorry, you're going too fast.
1 minute, let me check. 1 minute, let me check. One minute, let me check. Okay, not to display, no. 1 minute, let me check. Okay, 1 minute. I'm not mentioning any increment or decrement. So, oh, it's not showing. Okay, 1 minute, let me check. Hmm. See, starting, ending, I'm not mentioning starting index, ending index, but when I fetching the third one is I fetch the information from -1 onwards. So it will be written the reverse of the particular string. So without mentioning starting means it automatically taken for the 0th index. Without ending means it automatically taken for the n-1.
Um, Can you explain again the 052? What is 2 means again? It's a letter. It's not.
Okay, 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So here 0 means starting index. So 5 means before ending index. Okay, so that means 0 to 4 I am going to fetch. From 0 to 4, so usually fetching will be done for one by character. But a third parameter I am going to fetching the character for a, that is a dropping for 2 to index. So if I fetch a P means a, next one is a plus 2 index. So 0 plus 2, it will be goes to this place. Understand?
Yes,
Second
so
index question.
meaning C.
Ah, yes.
But PHC only have 4 index, right? Only 0.
So, okay. So, Miss Fatih, are you there?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, so, yes. Have you decided the project?
Mm, no, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Okay, so please take a time to decide your project. Okay, so even mini project also okay, not a biggest project and a small project is also enough. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes, can you please everybody please turn on your camera. Let me take the morning session now. Photo.
Oh, okay.
So later I will share the collab notebook to everybody. Yes, Miss Rajayash.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. So
Right,
later I
future.
will share the activity question to you. So after lunch, you after a still loading, okay. Okay, so after discuss with the looping concept, just you try for a control structure and then looping activity question. Okay. So let me take the screenshot now.
Okay.
So you also take a screenshot for your side as well.
Can you share the screenshot, brother? I didn't take yesterday, actually, the screenshot.
Sure, sure.
Thank you. We can use indexing for forecasting, right? Hmm. Anything else, Radha? Are we done or not yet? Okay.
So that's it for morning portion. Rest will be discussed for after lunch.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Miss. See you after lunch.